We have to raise our voice somewhere. If I wish, I should have go to the road with these people and to bring lakhs of people to show it for agitational program. But we cooperated with the election commission, the administration. Yesterday, even the 2.5-year child was not allowed to bring the milk from the outsiders. Then I rushed there. Thousands of police. I am not blaming them, I am blaming their masterminded people. Election commission, you have seen when we went there, thousands of police were there. Though I am not blaming them, it is not their fault. They are doing their duty. But who is giving them the direction to behave like this? There will be no democratic voice. There will be no people voice. There will be no constitutional right. There will be no voting rights. Then where the people will go? Then you announce better. Super emergency. It is already there in Bengal. 6-month election commission is taking away all the power from us. The people are not able to do the development job. All BLOs, night 11 o'clock, they have to give the WhatsApp. They have to wake up. Whole day they will walk, and night some people are there, you know, who love what fruits. And what type of good water, goody water. And they disturb them day and night. And they cannot trust our people. They have never understand. They said, SDA, not SDA. SDA rank officers you have not provided. I said, you must see in some state, so many districts. In some states, small districts, big districts, subdivision, small. Subdivision means only pay less. And officers are being deputed as per IPS category. It match with the provision of the state. Bihar you have 44 districts. You can get more SDA. But in my state it is 23 districts. Because we are not getting the officers. Even we said so many times, give us more and more officers. We need, if I want to set up a district, those 6 new districts in our time we have started. But I want to do it in every district. But problem is, who will take care? I have to manage the IS. I have to manage the IPS. But their quota is limited. They are not allowing. So whose fault is this? For this reason, we think that let us at least raise our voice in a democratic manner to the election commission. We went there with 12 victims, 13 victims, 12 victims, along with all the categories. 15 people who went there, but we are humiliated, we are insulted, they didn't listen to us because they are committed to the BJP. We believe so. And now, in election, even in democracy, 3 biggest pillars is there. One is media. First is judiciary, media, constitution, parliament. And CEC is under the Home Ministry. Now we are knocking every door. If we don't get the justice, media also a big pillar. That's why we came to meet you along with our symbolic victims.
এবিপি আনন্দ এগিয়ে থাকে এগিয়ে রাখে।